this community is located on the Catawba River, and as you can see from the intro, there are beautiful craftsman style homes out here. So take a look at all the amenities you can get out here and enjoy the video. And if you're looking for apartment living, then got that here too. Here I am at the quaint shops at Riverwalk, right across the street from the Catawba River. They even have dog bowls for your dog in case they get thirsty. And I'm standing right here in front of the Grapevine, and you can see the cute little seats that you can just sit out here and relax. I'm right here, sit out here and relax, and they have wine, beer, and espresso, three of my favorite things. So come on out to Riverwalk. At Riverwalk is a gorgeous place to take a leisurely stroll or take a run. I've actually run this myself. It's 2.5 miles in, 2.5 miles out. Today's not the day, but I am here to show you a glimpse of this beautiful community and all the amenities it has to provide you. Here I am relaxing in front of the Catawba River beside the pump house. Can you imagine coming home after a long day, just being able to walk down the street, have some drinks, have a great meal, and just enjoy this view? If you want more information about Riverwalk, just give me a call because I want you to love where you live.